Let's saute some Chinese spinach. I love the vibrant green in this Chinese spinach. It's wonderful. This is some boiling water I have here. I'm going to just add about a couple of teaspoons of salt in there. And also we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Any cooking oil that you have. We'll give that a stir. Give that a stir just to make sure that the salt is melted, dissolved. And we have the Chinese spinach right here. We're going to blanch them for a long while, for about a couple of minutes. And then we'll continue the process, sauté them with some garlic. It's just a different method of doing it. Salt gives it a nice flavor, started to give it a flavor, and the oil gives it a lovely sheen when it comes out of here. You just get some toss and turn. Make sure they are submerged. Cover them for 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll be good. After I cleaned the pan, to the same pan I added some butter and some avocado oil. I'm just putting some bullion powder in there and some garlic powder. And we'll put the spinach back in here. Just give it that flavor. Remember, it's already cooked, so you wouldn't with some high heat. We'll just get it, just saute it a little, and we're done. Nice, we have a nice little butter sauce going there. Also let some of the liquid dry out a little, and then we'll be perfect. Squirted some lemon on there, serve it with a piece of lemon, sesame seeds, garnish, and you're good to go. Bon appetit. Well, here's the finished product. I've garnished it with some sesame seeds and a squirt of lemon on there, and you have a wonderful side dish. Sautéed Chinese spinach. Bon appetit. So here we go. And what makes it really interesting, the blanching. makes it almost melts in your mouth. It's so soft. No chewing or anything. It's perfect. You got to do this. It's wonderful. Awesome. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip.